Hello, everyone. My name is Zenas Limitaris, a Doctor of Communication student at the University of the Philippines Open University and a Global Account Executive at Concentrix. In today's globalized economy, business process outsourcing organizations play a critical role in delivering customer service and operational support across borders. At the center of this complex, high-pressure environment is organizational communication. This micro lecture highlights the most vital communication policies in BPOs, the common issues they face, and practical ways to strengthen communication effectiveness. First, 3 communication policies are essential in BPO organizations. The first is data privacy and confidential communication. Because BPOs handle sensitive customer and client information, policies strictly regulate what information can be shared, through which channels, and by whom. Compliance with global data protection standards requires secure platforms, controlled access, and continuous employee training. Second are standardized internal communication protocols. These define escalation paths, reporting structures, and documentation standards. Clear protocols reduce ambiguity, especially in distributed and remote teams, and help ensure accountability and timely decision-making. Third are cross-cultural and professional communication guidelines. Given differences in language, time zones, and communication styles, BPOs rely on policies that emphasize clarity, professionalism, and cultural sensitivity to minimize misunderstanding. Despite these policies, persistent communication issues remain. One major challenge is communication breakdowns across time zones, which can delay responses and disrupt coordination. Another is cultural and language barriers, where differences in tone and expression may lead to misinterpretation. Third issue is information overload, caused by multiple communication platforms without clear prioritization. Finally, many organizations experience gaps between policy and practice, where policies exist but are inconsistently enforced or insufficiently reinforced through training. To address these challenges, BPO organizations must adopt strategic and more human-centered approaches to communication. First, communication should be treated as a core operational system with clear ownership, defined channels, and documented decisions. Second, organizations should institutionalize cultural intelligence and communication training to strengthen understanding and psychological safety. Third, communication platforms should be simplified and secured, with clear guidance on which channels are used for urgent issues, formal documentation, and collaboration. Finally, leadership communication is critical. Leaders must consistently model ethical, transparent, and respectful communication to reinforce policy alignment and trust. In conclusion, communication policies in the BPO industry are not merely administrative rules. They are strategic tools that shape compliance, performance, and organizational culture. By strengthening how communication is designed, practiced, and led, BPO organizations can sustain trust and effectiveness in a global service environment.